Hi friends and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. I've been gone for a month. I have not made videos in a very long time, but here I am today with Georgie. Today's video is going to be a haul and a try on. I made an order on ASOS and I made an order on Nasty Gal. At the moment, Nasty Gal have a 50% sale on everything and it ends tomorrow, so I wanted to get this video up so you can order stuff before the sale ends. You're welcome. If you are a student, so either a college student or a uni student, you can use an app called Uni Days, which is basically just a way of you getting discounts on kind of like high street brands. All you need to do is sign up using your college or uni email address and then you can get discount codes for stuff. Nasty Gal. So I'm really into necklaces at the moment. I don't know why, but I'm really into necklaces. I'm wearing one at the moment. I also really like chokers. So I saw this on the website. This is the Heart and Star Fine Gold Choker. I don't know why this is called Heart and Star Choker because it's literally a heart and a moon. It's really difficult to show this, but there's a little heart and a little moon, and I'll just insert a clip of me wearing it because I can't figure out how to show you on the camera. This is why I've never done a haul before. Normally I wouldn't buy something like this. I am not a size 6. I am just gonna put it out there. This is a size 6 and it fits me, which is strange. This is what is it listed as? Rainbow mesh bralette black size 6. Yeah, this is a rainbow bralette. So this bit is obviously mesh and then the rainbows cover your nip nops. But yeah, I really like it. I think it's really cute. I've never owned a t-shirt dress before. I just like baggy t-shirts, so they're kind of like a dress anyway. This is supposed to be a dress. This is a t-shirt dress, medium to large. It's just white. It's got the little Nasty Gal logo on it with the little fang thing. I bought this. I don't know if you know, you probably do, but I kind of have an obsession with checkered things. Oh, it's so nice. I also really like it when skirts have like the little ring. You literally can't see it. There's a little ring and I love that. The ring is the zip. And I like that it's not super short, that like you can actually see my arse cheeks hanging out. I like that it's like a decent length. Now let's do ASOS. First thing is a t-shirt. I thought that this was a t-shirt. Turns out it's not, it's a crop top. And I bought it in a large. So it's a large crop top. I don't know how well that's gonna work, but the sleeves are huge. So I can definitely roll the sleeves up. It's a little cat and it says a bite back. It is one of their Halloween ones, but I was just like, do you know what, I'm just gonna get it. And it was £3, so like £3 for a t-shirt. I think they only have a large left, which is why I bought the large. Next is something pink. So this is a monkey mini denim dungaree dress in pink, and this is in small. For monkey at ASOS, go a size smaller than you think you are. So yeah, this is a pink dungaree dress. I have so many like dungaree style dresses. I just love them so much. I'm saving the best till last because this is the thing that I actually wanted to order in the first place. This is the one item that made me order everything else. So this is monkey pleated mini check dungaree dress in navy. I'd say it's more green than navy. This is like my favorite piece of clothing that I own now. It is just so cute. And I don't actually own anything this color, like green and blue. I don't usually pair those colors together, but when I saw this I was like, oh my god, I'm in love. Also, really quickly before I end the video, I have joined 21 Buttons. All of the clothes that I featured in this video I will be uploading to 21 Buttons, so if you want to get them then you can just go on to my 21 Buttons, which is obviously the same as my YouTube and my Instagram, which is Bubblub. If you want to go follow me, I'll leave a little link down in the description. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I really hope that you have an amazing day with whatever you are doing, and I will see you next time, which hopefully won't be too long. Bye! Bye!